Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So just in case you're a fan of lush green lawns or you are struggling with your Zoysia lawn, you're going to want to stick around because I have a complete renovation video coming up for this Zoysia lawn. So I'll be renovating the Zoysia lawn to get it back to its former glory. So by renovation, I will be scalping the lawn. That is, I will be cutting it all the way down to dirt. I will also be scarifying to remove thatch that has built up over the period. I will also be top dressing and applying. So I'll be top dressing using manure, and I will be leveling the lawn as well using sand. Also, I'll be applying some um, pre-emergent herbicide just to prevent those weeds from coming back up while the lawn recovers from the renovation. So in case you're wondering why renovate the lawn, so Zoysia lawn is a beautiful lawn. It sometimes, after a period of time, gets patchy. It also has uneven areas, bumps and dips that will need to be taken out. Also, the thatch needs to be removed so the lawn can breathe and the roots can spread more easily. That will also result in a beautiful lawn at the end of the day once it is properly watered, properly mowed, and fertilized. So that's really what you need to have your lawn looking good. Now, in case you're asking, what should you expect in this video? So in the full video, I will be taking you step by step through the process. I'll be showing you how to scalp your Zoysia lawn, the best way to scarify without damaging the crown, how to apply top dressing, that's going to be manure in this case, tips for getting a smooth, level finish with sand. So over time, as the lawn is mowed and watered, it will have dips and bumps developing. So it will be required to be leveled out using sand from time to time. Also, I'll be showing you how to apply your pre-emergent herbicide to prevent the growth of weeds as the lawn recovers from the renovation. So if you're thinking about renovating your own lawn, or you are just interested in seeing the transformation of this Zoysia lawn, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn your notification on. You don't want to miss this video. So this video should be ready within another few days. So looking forward to seeing or to showing you my lawn transformation process.